Hi guys, today is April 30th and this is my physics quote of the day video for April 30th. On April 30th, 1777, there's a great mathematician and physicist who was born in Braunschweig, Germany. His name is Carl Friedrich Gauss. Gauss for the English-speaking people. Sure, you know about him, at least about his many laws. For example, the electric flux law, which which says that when you have a closed surface and charge inside, the electric flux is proportional to the charge that's inside. For example, you have electrons, you enclose it with a surface, then you have a certain amount of photons, always proportional to the electrons, the quantity of electrons that are inside that volume. And that's Gauss's electric flux law. There's also a magnetism law for Gauss, which says that there's no magnetic charge because a magnetic flux is always circular, it's rotational, and so no magnetic charges. So the quotes I would like to mention today, I'll read them. The first quote is says, "It is not knowledge, but the act of learning, not possession, but the act of getting there, which grants the greatest enjoyment. When I have clarified and exhausted a subject, then I turn away from it in order to go into darkness again. The never satisfied man is so strange. If he has completed a structure, then it is not in order to dwell in it peacefully, but in order to begin another." So I like that quote because it really shows that what's enjoyable about science is the act of learning, not the fact that you know things, many things. Of course, that's also enjoyable, but the really important thing is when you learn new things. Another quote about one of his results, he wrote in a letter, but he said, "I have had my results for a long time, but I do not yet know how I am to arrive at them." So that shows that he was an intuitive guy. He had results, he could not clarify or state clearly how he came to them. He knew he had them, but he still worked on it. He was perfectionist. He had a lot of results, but some he did not even publish because he had not clearly stated in simple words. One of his secrets he tells in another quote, "If others would but reflect on mathematical truths as deeply and as continuously as I have, they would make my discoveries." So that was his secret. Reflect deeply on mathematical truths. Then you can discover many laws or facts about geometry or arithmetics and so on. Another quote, "But you know that I write slowly. This is chiefly because I am never satisfied until I have said as much as possible in a few words, and writing briefly takes far more time than writing at length." I like that quote also because well, it shows that to write simply something which is complex, it takes a lot of time. It's very difficult to say a lot of things in a few words. So that were my quotes for today. I hope you enjoyed them, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.